It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! It is getting dark out. Am I that late today? I am that late today. I actually went out shopping today. I went to Kohl's. I went to Joann. And I went to Bath and Body Works. And I went grocery shopping. So I've been out and about. Check it out. I am wearing my pumpkin pie shirt from Kohl's. I gotta say, I love this shirt. I don't know. There's just something fun about wearing pumpkin pie. But because I got to Bath and Body Works, I got a little haul for you guys. So today, and I know I'm late on this, you guys, concentrated room spray sale, $3.50 with the code fall deals, or you had to use the code in the store. I got a little mini haul here, although my store did not have any of the Christmas. I saw Rona, I saw your Instagram. I think I saw it on Instagram. You got Christmas. I'm like, where are the Christmas? I asked in my store and they're like, no, Christmas isn't out yet. I was kind of disappointed because I really wanted to get Christmas. But I did pick up a couple. I'm going to show you which ones I got. And then check out this awesome little box I bought at Joann for my fall and Halloween concentrated room spray, because my crate is getting like way too full. So I figured out I'm going to break fall out into its own container. I'm kind of on this organizational kick now. And it was funny. I went into Bath & Body Works today and I'm like, which ones do I need? I couldn't even think which ones I needed. I need to write them down in my book. I need one for concentrated room spray. I got to write one of my books for concentrated room spray. So online, they've got a lot of the fall. I almost got white pumpkin. I almost got chasing fireflies. Pumpkin pecan waffles was not even in my store. I'm going to show you what I got. So I ended up getting 2 moonlit graveyards. I actually have a gifting idea for this one. So I'm going to gift one of them, keep one of them. So I got the moonlit graveyards. I also got a vampire blood because I love the vampire blood. This is my second vampire blood, actually. And then I also got spiced pumpkin and patchouli. I've been wanting this one. This is one that I've actually wanted. Now, concentrated room spray is not like your Glade air freshener. A little dab will do ya. Oh, that's nice. Oh my gosh, that is really nice, you guys. I like the pumpkin. I like the patchouli in here. So, don't go spraying these all around the house like crazy. 1 or 2 sprays. These are concentrated. I love these in the kitchen, the bathroom, garbage cans. It's just wonderful. These are great. I also got fresh lemon. I have not seen fresh lemon. I'm like, why haven't I seen fresh lemon? This one's going right in the kitchen. It's going to smell a little bit like patchouli, pumpkin, and lemon right now. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I like this one a lot. Yeah, that is a go. Also, I'm going to go through all of my fall ones. I had to stop the video because I'm getting like 1,000 texts. I'm like, who is texting me? It's Lenny, my friend Lenny, who you probably have seen doing cooking videos with me. I was actually just at the beach tonight. Check out, you might see the book behind me. Check out this amazing photo I got of the book. We've been putting up these really artsy videos. I feel like we're doing music videos with Lenny's book. So, I am back with concentrated room spray right now. My phone's probably going to ding in a minute. So, you ready? Marshmallow Fireside. I did not see this one. Where is Marshmallow Fireside in the stores? I'm going to spray a little Marshmallow Fireside because this is like a favorite of mine. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's good. This is amazing. Okay. I also have an open sky. Oh yeah, I got the open sky going on. I have 3 pumpkin cupcakes. I'm glad I didn't buy pumpkin cupcake. I'm like, I didn't realize I had 3 of these. These last forever, by the way. 3 pumpkin cupcakes. Check that out. I also have 3 of my favorite beloved pumpkin apples. I'm glad I didn't buy pumpkin apple. I knew I had a lot of those. And then I also have a pumpkin pecan waffles, a sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and a sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I wish I'd gotten leaves. I've kind of shied away from leaves lately, only because it's been a little strong for me, but for some reason, you guys know, Leaves has really been a wonderful scent for me this year. I don't know. Leaves is like doing it for me. So I think I might do another order. I don't know. I haven't decided yet if I want to do another order, if I just want to wait until Saturday, because I think we're getting the 40% off. So I don't know what's coming tomorrow. Let me look at Tessa's blog because she's got the most up-to-date information here. Life Inside the Page. What's going on tomorrow? So today's the 20th. Tomorrow, it looks like, oh, the PocketBac and Core PocketBac clips. Okay, so possibly a PocketBac sale on the 21st, which is tomorrow. And then I'm hearing we may be getting some of the Christmas candles arriving this week. I don't know. They might be sending these soon. I got to review the cocoa roasted chestnuts for you guys because this one smells really, really good. So anyway, I'm super happy today that I got this little box. Look, it's got spider webs on the inside. But the box, I love these burlap topped boxes. This one is really cool. I also got a whole bunch of hay bales, by the way, because I like to stage my products on top of a hay bale. I love the whole hay bale thing. So I got hay bales today, Joanne. I got to go vacuum out my car because my car is now full of that like fake hay. The entire back, it like blew up on me. So I got hay everywhere. So anyway, I got to go clean my car. I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm going to do more videos. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Let me know if you're doing the Fine Fragrance Concentrated Room Spray. And let me know if you found Christmas. I'm really curious. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.